Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I will show you how to add someone to a shared folder in Google Drive. This is a simple way to collaborate with others and give them access to important files. Let's begin. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign into your account. Locate the file you want to share, then right-click on it from the menu that appears. Select Share. A pop-up window will open where you can manage sharing settings. In the field that says Add people and groups, type the email address of the person you want to give access to. You can add multiple people at once if needed. Next, look at the drop-down menu beside their name. Here, you can choose their permission level. Viewer if you only want them to see the files. Commenter if they should leave feedback. Or editor if they need full access to make changes. If you'd like, you can also type a personal message in the box provided. This message will be sent with the sharing invitation so the recipient knows why they are being added. Once everything is said, click Send. The person will immediately receive an email notification and gain access to the shared folder with the permissions you have selected. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.